What's going on, Finn? Are you washing Mummy's car? Yeah. No, you're helping Dad. Get your sponge. Get your sponge. Quick. I think you need to put your sponge in the water. Okay, then wash the car. Start washing the car. Finn?
No.
Wash the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Get into it. Yeah. Oh, God.
Washing?
Yeah.
I got it. Go in the front here. Yeah, here you go.
Oh, good. Wash the number plate. It's very important.
Don't touch that. That's not for little boys.
You're doing a very good job of washing the car.
Oh.
Are you washing the car?
Yeah.
Washing the car.